Welcome back to SmartFarm documentary. Under the clear blue skies of southern Italy, vast tomato fields stretch toward the horizon, glowing in shades of red each summer. Often called red gold tomatoes are one of the pillars of Italian agriculture. With annual production reaching more than 13 billion pounds, Italy consistently ranks among the world's top tomato producers, supplying both fresh markets and an enormous processing industry. From pasta sauces to canned diced tomatoes and rich purees, Italian tomatoes are deeply embedded in global cuisine. But behind every can of sauce lies a carefully managed agricultural system, from seed selection and nursery care to mechanized harvest, industrial processing, and international export. Today we follow that journey step by step. Tomato cultivation begins long before fruit appears in the field. The first stage is soil preparation. Farmers clear weeds and plant residues, then plow deeply to loosen the soil and improve aeration. Good drainage is essential because tomatoes are highly sensitive to waterlogging. Raised beds are formed to improve root development and prevent excess moisture accumulation. Soil pH and nutrient levels are tested to ensure optimal growing conditions. Balanced fertilization provides nitrogen for vegetative growth, phosphorus for root strength, and potassium for fruit quality. Seeds are first sown in controlled nursery environments. In these protected settings, moisture, temperature, and light are carefully regulated to ensure uniform germination. Once seedlings develop strong stems and several true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Mechanical transplanters are commonly used in large Italian farms. These machines plant thousands of seedlings per acre with consistent spacing, optimizing airflow and sunlight exposure. Irrigation systems, often supported by canal networks, deliver measured amounts of water throughout the growing season. Consistent watering prevents stress while avoiding oversaturation that could damage roots. Within 5 to 7 weeks after transplanting, plants begin to flower. Pollination follows either naturally through insects or with environmental support. Soon after, small green fruits form and gradually enlarge. During fruit development, nutrient and water management becomes more precise. As tomatoes mature, they transition from green to deep red, a visual signal that harvest is approaching. Tomatoes are typically harvested 70 to 80 days after planting, depending on variety and weather conditions. For processing tomatoes, harvest often begins when approximately 70% of the fruit in the field has turned red. Timing is critical because uniform ripeness ensures consistent flavor and color during processing. Large-scale farms rely heavily on mechanical harvesters. These machines cut the plants at the base, shake loose the ripe fruit, and separate tomatoes from vines and debris. Advanced sorting systems on the harvester remove damaged or unripe fruit before loading. Each acre can yield 17 to 18 tons of ripe tomatoes under optimal conditions. Harvested fruit is quickly transported to processing plants to prevent spoilage, as tomatoes are highly perishable. In smaller operations, or for fresh market production manual, harvesting is still practiced. Workers carefully select ripe tomatoes to maintain high-quality standards. At the processing facility, tomatoes first undergo thorough washing. Conveyor belts equipped with water spray systems and rotating brushes remove soil and field debris. Water is often recycled and treated to maintain sanitation standards. Next comes optical sorting. High-speed color scanners identify tomatoes that do not meet ripeness or quality requirements. Green, yellow, or damaged fruit is automatically removed from the line. Qualified tomatoes proceed to different processing streams depending on the final product. For canned tomatoes, fruit may be blanched to loosen the skin before peeling. Peeled tomatoes are washed again and inspected manually to ensure consistency. In-diced tomato production machines cut fruit into uniform cubes before filling sterilized cans. A controlled headspace is left inside each can to allow proper heat processing. Steam injection removes air to create a vacuum seal, ensuring food safety and shelf stability. For tomato puree and sauce, fruit is crushed, cooked, and concentrated. Evaporation systems reduce water content to achieve desired thickness. The final product is pasteurized and packaged in sterile containers. Automated palletizers stack finished cans and cartons into stable units ready for shipment. Cold storage and controlled logistics maintain quality until distribution. Italy exports significant volumes of processed tomatoes worldwide, supplying markets across Europe, North America, and Asia. Tomatoes reach consumers in multiple forms. Fresh tomatoes are sold in domestic and export markets for salads and cooking. Canned, whole, or diced tomatoes are staples in kitchens worldwide. Tomato puree paste and sauces form the foundation of Italian cuisine. From pasta to pizza, processed tomato products offer extended shelf life while preserving key nutrients such as lycopene, vitamin C, and antioxidants. The transformation from fresh fruit to finished product adds value, reduces waste, and stabilizes supply across seasons. Behind the scale of Italy's tomato industry stand thousands of farmers, seasonal workers, agronomists, machine operators, quality inspectors, and logistics specialists. Tomato farming supports rural communities and contributes significantly to national agricultural revenue. The industry blends traditional agricultural knowledge with modern mechanization and food processing technology. Precision farming tools help optimize irrigation and fertilization. Automated harvesters increase efficiency. Optical sorting systems improve product consistency, yet human oversight remains essential at every stage. Italian tomatoes have become not only an economic asset, but also a cultural symbol, representing the country's culinary identity around the world. The journey of a tomato in southern Italy is a story of transformation. It begins as a seed in carefully prepared soil. It grows under months of sunlight and controlled irrigation. It is harvested at peak ripeness, sorted with advanced technology, processed in modern factories, and exported across continents. From fresh salads to rich sauces, tomatoes connect fields to kitchens worldwide. What appears to be a simple fruit is in fact the product of coordinated agriculture, industrial precision, and the dedication of thousands of people working together to deliver quality from farm to table.